Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a KitchenAid dishwasher and it's giving you an error 9-1 on the digital display. Or if you don't have a digital display on your dishwasher, it will indicate this error via a series of blinks. You'll see the dishwasher blinking, and it will blink 9 times, then pause for 2 seconds, and then blink once. Then pause for 5 seconds and repeat that cycle, that 9 blink, 1 blink cycle. And so if you're getting this error, what's going on is there's a diverter motor in there that sends water either to the lower arm or to the upper arm and controls that. And so what's happening is that the control board is failing to communicate with that motor. So the bad news is there's not one specific area what could be going wrong here. This could be anything from the diverter motor to the wiring that goes to the control board, or the control board itself. Something along that line is not communicating or not working properly. If you feel comfortable opening it and see any damaged wires, then that might be it. The next thing would be to just replace the diverter motor, and then if that doesn't work, try replacing the actual control board. But when you get into that, you're probably better off just calling a professional. But anyways, at least this video I hope helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.